Good morning to all. Myself Soumya Hegde. I am a PhD student at Kuvempu University, Shimoga. Now I am presenting a topic with the title Terrestrial Sharavati River Basin of Shimoga District, Karnataka under the guidance of Dr. Krishnaswamy Sir from Sayadri Science College, Shimoga. Introduction to my topic. The Orchidaceae is one of the largest and widespread families of flowering plants with highly evolved and specialized plant character. The Orchidaceae have about 25,000 to 35,000 currently accepted species distributed in about 600 to 800 genera. Recent researches shows about 1300 species distributed in 151 genera in India. In Karnataka, 203 species were distributed in 59 genera. In Shimoga district, total 15 species were observed. Orchids are mainly categorized into two types, terrestrial and the epiphytic forms. Terrestrial orchid grow on the ground and all orchids associated with an endophytic symbiotic fungus mainly in their roots. The orchids which grow in cooler regions are remain during the dry season and produces new shoots during the wet season. Research works on diversity of terrestrial orchids in Sharavati River Valley region of Shimoga district are important steps towards understanding their life cycle continuity and making vegetation cover on the earth. In the present work, an attempt has been made to collect wild terrestrial orchids from various regions of river basin from Shimoga district. A diversity details of terrestrial orchids is very essential towards understanding community ecology and population dynamics in Shimoga districts. Materials and methods that are used in this research works are extensive field surveys of the terrestrial orchid flora in river basin region of Shimoga district has been carried out from July 2018 to September 2020 and plants has been collected and identified. Detailed information of the plants are also noted. Orchids have been collected from different parts of Sharavati river basin region of Shimoga district. Major part of river basin lies in the western Ghats. Plants are collected in its flowering stages from its natural habitat. Sampling was done in different forest types grasslands in the river valley region. Plants are identified from botanical flora, monographs and with the help of experts. In this present work, Sharavati River Basin present in Shimoga district is selected as a study area. The map shows the Shimoga district is present within the Karnataka state. The district is a part of Malnad region of Karnataka and is also known as the gateway to Malnad. There are 7 taluks. They are Soraba, Sagara, Hosanagara, Shimoga, Shikaripura, Tirthahalli and the Bhadravati. The present study has been carried out in upper catchment area of Sharavati river basin spread over Sagara, Hosanagara and part of Tirthahalli taluka district in the Karnataka. The frequent field visits has carried out in Sagara, Hosanagara and Tirthahalli taluks of the district. The random field survey method is used for observing diversity of terrestrial orchid in river basin of Shimoga district. The plants were identified with the help of the flora manuals and important aspects were also noted and photographs were taken during the field surveys. The slide shows the view of Sharavati river valley region. And next, result and the discussion. The extensive surveys were planned in river valley to assess diversity of orchid. Many field visits were carried covering the most areas of river basin region during the different seasons were accomplished. In the present paper, an attempt has been undertaken to assess the diversity of terrestrial orchids in Sharavati river basin of Shimoga district. A total of 25 species of ground orchids belonging to 13 genera were documented in Sharavati river basin region of Shimoga district. Some species were recorded only in the grasslands of valley region. Habenaria was the dominant ground orchid found in all type of vegetation. Next to the Habenaria species, Nervilia, Peristylus, two species each, and the remaining genera by a single species each were observed. The maximum orchid diversity is observed in evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and grasslands. Least orchid diversity observed in scrub forest and the plantation areas. In the present investigation, some of the terrestrial orchids were new records to the existing Shimoga flora. The table shows the list of terrestrial orchids that were observed during the field visits, and phenology of the all terrestrial orchids were also noted. The rain will play a major role in the growth and development of most of the terrestrial orchid species. Ground orchid species start to produce leafy shoots on the onset of rainy season. These are the beautiful pictures of terrestrial orchids that were observed during the field visits. The first one is a single leaf Nervilia, and next Malaxis versicolor, Peristylus plantagenia, Habenaria heineana, Geodorum densiflorum. Next is the Platanthera susana, is one of the beautiful terrestrial orchids. And next Habenaria crinifera. Habenaria crinifera and Habenaria heineana produces green carpets on the grasslands and the and next Habenaria longicorniculata, Habenaria marginata, Tropidia angulosa, Dainia ophiralis, and the Liparis nervosa. And next Nervilia plicatus, a single leaf Nervilia, Liparis odorata, Habenaria multiquadrata, Habenaria elvesi, and next Habenaria pelorioides. It's one of the special orchid. The speciality is in this life cycle the flower never opens and fertilization takes place within the flower itself only. And next Habenaria ovalifolia, and next Habenaria grandifloriformis is the first blooming terrestrial orchids on the onset. And next Nervilia prineana, Peristylus spiralis, Zeuxan longilabris is a saprophytic orchid. And next Malaxis reedi and Satarium nepalensis. During field visits, number of threats were also observed. They are forest fire, grazing, and the landslides. And some of the conservation measures are also noted. They are traditional faiths are treasure house of the plant. Orchids are the most wondrous creature of nature. Were found in almost all types of habitat in Sharavati River Valley of Shimoga district. The strategies such as cryopreservation, in situ and ex situ conservation, orchid area maintenance, and community efforts are the great importance to save the orchid wealth of the river valley region. The mass propagation by using conventional as well as tissue culture techniques would be an important strategy. In addition to this, local public should be educated about the need for preservation and conservation of orchids. Otherwise, most of our wonderful species of orchids may get vanished forever. Finally, conclusion. The present research carried in Sharavati River Basin of Shimoga district total 25 terrestrial orchids. The phenology of orchids were also studied. In the present studied species, all species produces new shoots during the onset of monsoon. Produces shoots, flowers, fruits, and different time period at the different species. Rapid changes in the habitat and microhabitat conditions owing to recent developmental projects have caused orchids in this valley region. The major threats are destruction of riverine habitats, grazing, fire, and excessive demand for fuel, wood, and timber. For saving this advanced beautiful group of plants, it is necessary to identify suitable conservation measure and needs high priority for their conservation. And finally, I thanks to all the organizers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thanks to one and all.